only properly washed grain may be milled in the Millomat. The grain is metered by a frequency-controlled feeder. The heart of the Treffler Millomat is the patented impact cutting mill. The mill charge is broken up here in fractions of a second by the interplay of the milling discs and the impact plate. The flour is gently drawn out of the mill chamber by a vacuum, directly through the sieve. The mill charge is heated only minimally so that important nutrients in the grain are retained in the flour as well. The sieve inserts determine the fineness of the flour. Once the mill housing has been opened, the sieve can be removed in no time. Sieves have hole sizes from 0.5 to 5 millimeters, covering everything from superfine flour to coarse meal. The whole wheat grain consists of the high-fiber bran, the mineral and vitamin-rich aileron layer, the germ, and finally the endosperm, which contains starch and protein. For true whole grain flour, the directive requires that all components of the grain, including the bran and the germ, must be present in the flour in their natural ratios. The Millomat guarantees that this is the case. Besides the usual grains, the Millomat can also process pseudo-grains, pulses, and even herbs and spices. The jet filter allows the mill to be run 24 hours a day. The filter elements should be replaced at regular intervals. This takes just a minute. The mill cannot start up again until the door has been closed. Thanks to applying oxygen during the milling process, the Millomat flour brings bakers light and voluminous loaves, rolls, and many more delicious products. Quality starts with milling. Treffler Milling Machinery.